Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you a quick overview of the Pillage the Village Datapack as well as how to download and install it on your server. Pillage the Village is a datapack that contains 4 brand new villages, 1 new Bastion Remnant type, and an abandoned variant for all you vanilla ones. It also completely reworks the Illusioner, adding a neat mix of attacks known from Minecraft dungeons, as well as behaviors completely unseen before. There are also new special mechanics for all of the goat horns and a brand new totem, as well as a balanced way to bypass max vanilla enchantments levels. On top of all that, most mechanics can be modified to your liking through an in-game config menu. This datapack requires a custom resource pack in order to work. First, you're going to need to go to the Datapack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Go to the Files section from the menu at the top. Make sure the Datapack is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the Datapack version you want, then click the 3 dots to the right and click Download File. You will need to wait 5 seconds before it automatically downloads the file. Now you need to download the resource pack. You can find the link to the resource pack's website in the description below as well. Go to the Files section from the menu at the top. Make sure the resource pack is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the resource pack version you want, then click the 3 dots to the right and click Download File. You will need to wait 5 seconds before it automatically downloads the file. Once that's done, we recommend dragging the files to your desktop so they're easier to find. Go to your server's control panel. Make sure your server is set to a version that is compatible with the datapack. Before proceeding, make sure your server is offline. Next, head over to your Files section and open the World folder. Then open the Datapack's folder. Now you want to drag and drop the Datapack file into this folder. Then you can turn on your server and wait till it's online to see if the Datapack has installed correctly. After doing so, head over to the console to make sure your Datapack is installed. You can see it's installed when it says Done near the bottom. Make sure there aren't any errors relating to the Datapack. Head over to the MC Pack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Drag and drop the resource pack into the Choose File section. Then click Upload. Copy the created config. Go to your service files and open the Server.properties file. Scroll down until you find the resource pack configs. Now just paste the previously copied config over those configs. Then click Save File to upload the resource pack onto the server. Make sure to restart your server to apply the changes. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!